Hello everyone, we are here live again at Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander behind the camera, and today I will be joined by our new member here at Braustin. Her name is Faith. She's our digital marketing coordinator. She will be helping us make content, and like today, giving us one of our home tours. Now Faith is pretty new, but she's great, she's awesome. You guys are gonna love her. So, without further ado, today we will be showing you guys the Thrill. Now the specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet.
Hey Xander, come on in.
How's it going?
Good. So Xander knows who I am, but obviously the people on the live don't. I'm Faith, I'm a new employee here at Braustin Homes, and I'm really excited to show you this house today. But you know, this isn't my first time in one of our homes. So if you tune in next week at this time, you'll be able to see my first impression on one of our homes. So let's get this tour started.
Let's do it.
So right in here is our living area. There's so much space in here for anything. You could have one couch and just a chair, or you could have a big sectional for you and your family. You can have a big TV and be able to entertain all of your guests that come over, or just have a really great movie family night together. Now, yes. So if you follow me over here, before we talk about this amazing kitchen, back here you have a ready-to-go washer and dryer hookup for you whenever you move in. So right here in this kitchen, you can see we have a ton of space. You have so much storage, you have all these cabinets, you have 3 sets of drawers here, and just a lot of space to store whatever you need. You even have cabinets in this island. So if you're anything like me, I think this kitchen would be great for you and your family. My family and I, we love to cook together and make memories in the kitchen on our holidays, and I think this is the perfect kitchen for you and your family to also make those memories. Right here, we have our dining area. Now, you could have a small table like this, or, I mean, there's plenty of space to have a big table. So if you host Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just want to host a fun dinner party, you can have a big table in here, and it's very open concept for you to always enjoy your guests whenever you're in this room. So let's head over to the primary bedroom. And what I love about this house is how big the rooms are. So this is a queen size bed. Obviously, you could fit a king. Lots of natural light. There's one side table. You can obviously fit 2. You have a dresser here. You could even have a chest of drawers. So plenty of space in here to add whatever you need for your home. And right here is the primary bathroom. This is a really big bathroom. So you have a lot of space up in here. You have these storage cabinets underneath the sink, but you have all this space right here that you could add another counter, you could add some drawers, anything to maximize your space in here. You have a big tub that you can climb on into with the shower, and you have more of an isolated toilet over here, and so you can be a little bit more private in here. Now this is really cool. This is a huge walk-in closet. I mean, I could run a mile in here. You could put your shoes on the floor with a shoe rack. You can put them up here on these nice shelves. You could put more storage up here. I think really this is one of the biggest closets that we have to offer for sure. So we're gonna head over to the secondary bedrooms now.
And again, if you are just joining our live, we are here at the Thrill today. The specs of this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet.
Yes. So this is our first secondary bedroom. It's a really nice size. You could fit a double bed in here, maybe a queen size bed, but I'm thinking you could put a desk in here if your kids are in school, dresser. I mean, plenty of space for your kids to grow up in here for sure. And each of our secondary bedrooms have really nice walk-in closets. If you head in here, you can, again, store clothes, shoes. I mean, your kids could put their toys in there. It's a great, great space for your kids. And then we'll head over here to our secondary bathroom. Now in here you have, again, storage under the sink, plenty of space, and I think this is in a great spot because it's right out the living room, so when your guests are over, they have access to your bathroom, and so do these two secondary bedrooms. Now this is our second secondary bedroom. Again, really big space, and you know, it doesn't have to be for your kids. It can be for your grandparents that are living with you. It can be an office. It can be a home gym. Anything that you want to make this room, you can make it yours. This also has a walk-in closet. Again, plenty of space for you to store whatever you need in here, whether it's workout equipment, clothes, office supplies, whatever you need. So yeah, that is the thrill. If y'all want to follow me in here, I think this is a great starter home for you and your family, or just maybe it's you and your significant other. It's definitely budget friendly, so this is one of our many budget homes. So I think this is a great spot for you to start your family and start your life. Yes, so thank you for joining our live. If you want to see a house like this or something similar, come to our open house at 7500, sorry, a lot of numbers, Paradise Road, and you can see this Saturday from 10 to 2. Well, I'm super excited that y'all came and joined us. If you want to see us next week, you can see us next week.
We hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Did it seem like this was Faith's first time doing this? It sure didn't to me. So, if you want to move into a home like this, well, it's just like Faith said. We have move-in ready homes available to show this weekend at our open house at Walsham Park. That's 7500 Paradise Road. Let's get you home before the holidays.